What's up, guys? Jake here, and today I got a Tackle Warehouse order shipped in, and I just wanted to show you guys what I got in it. And I already opened it. I tried to make a video, but my phone kept running out of storage space, so I have to redo it. I already opened a few of the things, but it don't really matter. So, first, we just got the sticker. There you go, and you order $50. This is a $75 order. And then we got Gambler Wrecking Ball, half ounce, black, 4/0 hooks. There's 4 of these. Those are pretty cool. And then New Tech, New Jig, and 3/8 ounce watermelon red. Owner worms that are way smaller than I thought they were. I thought they were 6.5 inches, but they're 4.5. But they're still kind of cool, I guess. They're like 88 cents, so it doesn't really matter. Next, we got the Burner Craw, which looks super sick. I'm going to try it out. Probably put it on here and flip with it too. Sorry about that. Yeah, I got Burner Craw and watermelon red, and there's 2 of those. Here's the other one. Then a Little Easy and White Lightning. Ten-inch worm, Rubentail, watermelon red, Gambler, and Swimming Super Fluke Jr. White Pearl. These 2 things right here are for the fish head spin, and everyone's been talking about this because Casey Ashley won Classic on it a while ago, though. It was a couple months ago, but I wanted to get one. Try it out. So I got this. See what it's all about. And some little things to put on the back of it. Looks pretty fun to use. I don't know why, it just looks fun to me. Next, we got Grande Bass baby rattlesnakes, which are way smaller than I thought it was. These are 4-point-something inches, and I misjudged what 4 inches is, I guess. So, it's pretty small, but these things still look pretty sick. Next, we got Owner Football Shaky Heads in 1/4 ounce green pumpkin color. And last 2 things. Sunline Super Fluorocarbon, 2 of them, 14 12-pound test, 200 yards fluorocarbon. Yeah, so that's everything. Gonna be doing some deeper water fishing, as you can probably tell. That's why I got, well, I don't know about shaky heads. I'm not really a deep water fisherman, but I wanted to try some stuff because I found a good little ledge on one of my lakes. And so I got some jigs and a jig and shaky heads, 10-inch worms, and these. That's why I got all those things. I'm gonna try to become a better deep water fisherman. So yeah. Thanks for watching. That's all I got for today. Comment, like, subscribe, and have a great day.